What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. This brand is really nice, you guys. The Royal Norfolk Cutlery, it's really nice. Oh, and I think this deluxe spatula is new. It has a little sharp edge on the side. We have so much over here. So much. Peelers, graters, we have potato mashers, solid spoons. We have our little liner paper down there, our shelf liners, our contact paper. We have belts. Oh, it says bonded leather. We have leather belts here in Dollar Tree, you guys. What? My store has all size 34, but these are leather belts. Bonded leather belts. Let's head on over to the seasonal area. Let's see what we have. Mostly just food and graduation items down this aisle still. Salad dressing, noodles, essentials, cookies, ramen, salsa, stuff like that. Ooh, these are so cute. Look at this, you guys. Cute little flip-flops. Super cute. And then we have all the scarves by Juncture. Shells. Flowers. Tropical. Fishies. Another tropical. Just a lot of duplicates. More cute little flip-flops. Catch Me by the Sea, Seize the Day, and Good Vibes Only. We have adult luau skirts. They're pretty long with the elastic. 30 inches long. The waistline is 32 inches, but I believe that's 32 inches unstretched. That's what I'm guessing. Some new patriotic scarves. They have ice creams and American flags on them. And then we have this one that says USA, and it's more of like a vintage Americana sort of style. We have signs, patriotic paper lanterns, the little foam ones. Oh, the chalk is here, finally. The chalk is back. I found one of these at Walmart, just one. And I wanted to get more. I definitely want to get a couple of these. Let's see if we have anything back here that's new behind me. We have a lot of these new lanyards by Juncture. In one of my other stores, they were all packaged, but not in this location. Tropical, stripes, floral. There really hasn't been much new down the toy area lately, except for all of the Trolls World Tour blind bags and figures. These are about a month old, the unicorn sets. right now they're really pushing the summer toys and summer activities for the kids. The kites, the goggles, the ankle skippers, the little color your own activities. We have little cross stitch sets, hearts, butterflies, unicorns. Ooh, what's this? These are definitely new this year. Little gliders for the pool. These are brand new. And then super cute snorkel and goggle sets. We have little finger shooters. We have the little magnifying glasses in black and blue and green and pink. Shovels, garage sale signs, yard sale signs. Don't you dare go to Best Buy and overspend. Get it here. These are back. As seen on TV, surface cleaners, the UV cleaners. We have some button cell batteries for the first time ever. Like, I rarely see those in Dollar Tree. These are still here in my store. The air wicks are still here. All the incense. The wax application pads. Oh, I like that this came with this and this. Okay, you guys, I am gonna go and find another aisle to film on for you guys to give you guys an update on new items for the week. So definitely join me in my very next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and also follow me over on TikTok. So all right, you guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.